I don't know.
Oh.
There was a little green button, so I hit it, and now the trailer test is available.
Yeah.
Not far off.
Yeah. Play a horror game.
I'm innocent.
I'm also innocent.
Too. I am
Like, what
innocent.
kind of horror game? Because Gmod does have some horror games we can probably play around Halloween time.
Yeah, I think it's like. I think we've got
if
like
you're
Stop
talking
It
like
Slumber.
if you're like talking a main horror game, it really depends.
Okay.
Rob did Resident Evil not too long ago.
Just so everyone knows, the TNT, I shot it and it's basically an explosive barrel.
Okay, cool.
And then there's also Dead by Daylight. Most of us play. So some of us have grown tired of it. I'm still willing to play more if Rob wants to.
Discombobulator.
But we'll see. We'll see.
Don't you discombobulate, you horrible little creature. Hey, I heard that.
I did too. Well, then again.
You discombobulated at me.
Kenny! It's Kenny!
Evie's stuck. Evie's stuck. Jesus
stuck.
Christ!
I'm stuck.
What the hell is happening to Evie?
I'm lagging.
I'm glitching.
Kenny's shooting the detective.
Oh no, it's
There we go. Ha
Who's the detective?
It's me.
Are you sure? Smoke bomb!
I try to take my mark. You're not allowed to say who it is, right, if you die?
Yeah, if you die, then you basically go quiet.
Yeah. No ghosting rule.
Me.
That's why nobody told that's why nobody told Kyle that died the last round.
I died last round?
No, that McLeod had died.
Oh yeah, that I totally thought it was him just because I shot him in the face.
And he disappeared.
And then his body wasn't there.
Yay, we got a detective!
Worst detective ever.
I can't get up.
Yeah,
There
because
we
the
go.
C button still doesn't work.
Rebind the key!
I'm thinking about just using my laptop next game, next time I play, and then it will work because I know it works on my laptop.
Okay.
By the way, Rob, how's my voice coming
Smoke
out
bomb!
on your end?
It sounds okay.
Is it quiet or anything?
No, sounds okay.
Alright.
Nice.
I've
He's very sensitive about his voice.
Playthrough on my channel due to. I haven't played Outlast 2 yet.
Trailer tester is now available.
Oh,
Ooh,
cool.
where is it?
I don't know.
Oh.
There was a little green button, so I hit it, and now the trailer tester is available.
Yeah,
I just like
I'm
to
dead.
point out something. If everyone cares to... McLeod just murdered someone, and is now shooting me.
Oh.
No.
Okay.
Shut up, you little water dragon.
I am Vaporeon, ho!
Wait, I'm coming. Where is he?
He's over on this island near the ship.
Yeah.
My friend, Captain Jack Sparrow.
Jack! No!
Wait, did he just... Wait, he died. He's dead.
Wait, he's dead?
Oh.
Yeah, he's dead. He's a...
Well,
no,
shit,
he's
this-
a traitor, though.
That means we've got enough people
Oh.
for two.
There's
Rob?
another traitor.
What?
Are you the
What?
traitor?
No, I'm not!
Two of you is a traitor. There's one of you is a traitor.
Well, they're both near me.
Yeah, it's Rob. He just threw a chicken.
No, I didn't!
Chicken.
How do I get rid of this chicken following me? Okay, I don't know what to
Are
do.
you okay?
Yeah, I'm alive. Thanks for asking, Rob.
I'm pleased to hear that.
That's good. Good. Oh man, all I got is a huge. Never mind. I'm gonna take my M16, even though M16 with no ammo is better than the huge.
Goddamn stupid chicken didn't do your job.
Wow. So you are admitting that you're the killer?
No, maybe.
Okay.
Are you admitting that I'm the killer?
Maybe.
Have you killed anybody this round?
No, I have not. Have you?
I've killed someone this round.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Who have you killed? Give me some names here.
I killed Kenny.
You killed Kenny.
You
No wonder
bastard.
he's been so quiet.
I didn't
Kenny's
really
such
kill
a
Kenny.
nice guy. He has a nice guy name.
I love Kenny. I wouldn't kill Kenny.
Uh-huh. Then why is he not talking?
Because I'm right here.
Oh, you're alive, Kenny?
No, I'm not alive. I'm still dead.
I actually
Oh.
killed Kenny.
Next to me.
Kenny was the one I saw McLeod murder.
See, it's McLeod. McLeod's the traitor.
Well, McLeod was the traitor, but McLeod is dead. Now it's down to you and me, and because Kordak is.
What about Vaporeon? He's been very quiet. Oh, he also seems to be dead.
I was about to say, I wonder why, Rob.
Right?
I killed Vaporeon too.
Well, I killed Kordak. So yeah, I guess it is just you and me. Oh yeah, buddy. Do you want to cuddle?
Oh, your chicken is still after me! Oh my god! He's trying to kill me still!
Good job,
Run
little
away!
buddy.
Run away!
You went back to the chicken.
Get him, Rob.
Oh no.
Whoa,
Get
I'm
him.
on fire!
You're back into the lava.
Oh, dang, I stepped in lava.
Mind that lava, buddy.
You chicken! You chicken!
You turned around, and you went back to where the chicken was, and it just leapt at you again.
Killer chickens.
I thought it was dead, it was just lying there. I thought it was done.
It's
When
a bomb.
chickens go proper mental.
Why are there no shotguns on the map?
There are.
Yeah, there are. I saw one earlier.
I had one earlier.
I am the detective.
I'm innocent.
All right, everybody,
innocent.
gather up.
I'm innocent.
Let's all
Gather up.
meet up by the village. Go to the village.
Okay, I need a gun first.
The
Nothing
village,
could
like
possibly go wrong with this plan.
the village by the ship, or the
Everybody go
village.
to the village. On the opposite side of the volcano.
I'm right behind you, McLeod.
Oh, yeah. Perfect.
I heard a chicken. I heard a chicken.
There's a chicken!
Someone threw a chicken.
Oh,
Wait,
it was
Kodak,
Kodak.
did you throw the chicken?
No!
Kodak threw-
Kodak
Oh my god!
chicken.
Oh, look out! Rob's throwing grenades at us!
What's the killer?
Stop that! No, someone's shooting me!
I saw you throw the chicken.
He didn't.
didn't throw
He
the
didn't throw the
chicken.
chicken. I threw the
Oh.
chicken.
Alright.
Thanks a lot, Kyle!
I was on the opposite end of the map as everyone.
Wait, how did Kyle die?
I don't know. I was walking around. There was a TNT next to me, and I guess I touched it.
Wow, good job.
Yeah.
So yeah, you
Still
threw
fair,
that chicken, we heard it all the way on the other side of the map, and everyone starts shooting me!
Well, how's I know they instantly would know it was you?
Actually,
Get
Rob was
going!
the only one that shot you.
He just looked really guilty, just stood there staring at the detective. It was as if you were trying to work out, should I kill him? Do I kill him or do I not kill him?
Why can I never find guns?
This gun's very,
Yeah, the gun's
So you
pretty
got
good.
that sniper rifle over here.
Oh.
Where'd it go?
I was this close to shooting you. I switched guns and it stopped me. Kordak just emerged and he looks like the frickin' Dread Pirate.
I be Sharky! Yarr.
Is everybody still alive, guys?
I think so.
I'm good.
Evie's
Yeah,
alive.
I'd be the detective.
Alright, let's try plan B.
Kodak is scaling the volcano.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a vantage point. Hey, McLeod.
Rob, no! Rob, no! Rob, no!
What is Rob doing?
Dying. Son! I found a shot.
No!
Kordak, I found your shotgun.
Rob was a traitor.
Yep. And I blasted him in the
What?
face, so Evie is not the
Whoa,
traitor.
whoa, lag.
Right. I'm the detective. I'm the detective. Back off.
Yeah. What are you?
I
You came to me.
I think Agent is the traitor.
Why?
Why?
Do you think that?
I think
No,
you
I'm
are.
thinking
Why?
Captain McLeod.
Prove that you're not.
Okay, here. That works, right?
Oh.
Rob, you're watching me, aren't you?
No,
Okay, I
I'm
think
watching
this
Adrian.
settles that I'm not the traitor, right, everybody?
I think it
that's
does.
for sure.
Right.
Is he dead?
Oh, I found the traitor testing room.
Multiple people are dead, yes.
I think.
Just everybody nearly.
It's got like glowstone all around it.
How do you... Why can't I just want...
Yeah, I'm guessing it's not open yet.
Yeah, someone must have done something last time to activate it.
I think Kodak pressed a button.
Yeah, it was in the cave. It was like a green. It was like a white plate with a green button on it.
Goddamn huge is a terrible weapon.
Oh yeah,
This?
for real.
Oh yeah.
It's so bad.
It was the only weapon I could find that had bloody Vaporeon's big fish ass in front of me. I couldn't kill it.
Vaporeon
It's
god.
not even that damaged. It's like on yellow.
I just saw who it is. I'm only saying that because I assume there's only 2 people left.
Yeah, you'll be right.
Agent?
Yeah.
Who killed Kodak?
Best friend?
Oh, I'm not sure who killed Kordak.
A long fall in lava killed me.
Yeah.
Agent, best friend! No.
Suicide.
Accidental death.
Who killed Eevee?
Oh, Eevee's still alive. Eevee's still alive and waiting
Oh,
for you.
Oh, nice.
Come find Eevee.
Agent, turn around.
Blah.
Come this way.
Okay.
Oh, not that way. The other way. I told you to turn around.
Ah.
God damn it.
The other way's blocked
Hey.
by lava, though.
Come this way.
And
Go
you're
up the stairs. Go up the stairs.
Go up the stairs? There are stairs. I can go upstairs.
Eevee's got a plan.
Thank you, Rob. Rob is guiding me.
There we go.
There we go.
Now go down the stairs.
Now go down the stairs.
Now take a right. No, another right. A left.
Oh, multiple rights.
Go this way. Drop
Okay.
down. Yeah, this way.
Go to the smoke.
Behind you.
Oh, the smoke. The smoke. There's a...
You got me.
No, turn around. Agent.
Cave.
There's a little rat coming towards you.
Oh, yeah?
Shoot it now.
Hey, Eevee, what do you want to do? Should I kill you, or what should I do?
We should be friends.
Fucking
We should be friends?
We should
Okay,
be
we
friends.
should
Hey,
be
Alex
friends.
Garnett, how's it going?
Welcome
to the stream.
Cave, the one you passed.
Oh, I passed a cave? Okay, let's be friends, Eevee. In the smoke.
It's where the
Smoke buddies.
Smoke buddies.
Smoke buddies.
And
You
a
got
chicken.
chicken here. What's that chicken doing?
I think... Huh.
Whoa!
The chicken explodes.
Did you try killing me with the chicken?
I will admit, yes. I also realized that it turned on me as soon as I threw it.
How did I die?
Shotgun to the face.
Oh, I didn't even hear the bullet.
That's because it was too busy blasting your head apart.
Yeah.
When I realized that the chicken didn't work, I just decided to shotgun you.